Welcome to Learn English Through Stories. Today, I'll tell you a spooky story called Room 313. Listen carefully, try to understand every word, and feel the fear grow with every sentence. Are you ready? Let's begin. It was almost midnight when Elodie parked her car in front of a hotel called Le Grand Montclair. A lonely building, half abandoned, standing in the middle of a mountain road. Rain was pouring down, thunder shook the windows. The road was flooded. She had no choice but to stop. The lobby was empty, no receptionist, just silence, and the sound of water dripping from her coat. On the counter, an old guest book, a dusty bell, and a single brass key. Number 313. A note beside it, written in shaky handwriting. Take the key, room ready. She hesitated, then took the key. The stairs moaned under her weight. The hallway lights flickered, one by one. Every door had its number scratched off, except one. Room 313. She turned the key. The lock screamed. The door opened. The room was freezing. The bed perfectly made. The air smelled like mildew and ashes. On the nightstand, a photograph, a man, a woman, and a little girl with long black hair. Their faces looked blurred, as if someone had rubbed the picture with trembling fingers. Elodie sighed. She dropped her bag, lay down on the bed, and closed her eyes. But something felt wrong. A sound, very faint, very slow. Tap, tap, tap. Like someone knocking from behind the wall. She got up, pressed her ear against the wall. The sound was coming from the next room. But when she stepped outside, there was no door next to hers, only a bare wall. At 2 a.m, the sound returned, faster, louder. Tap, 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 tap. Then a whisper, a voice so quiet. She almost thought she imagined it. She froze. Her lamp went out. Darkness. Something brushed against her arm, cold, wet, like a hand. She screamed, but no sound came out. The bathroom door opened by itself. A gust of freezing air poured out. In the mirror, she saw someone standing behind her. A little girl, soaked, her face hidden behind a curtain of black hair. Elodie spun around. No one was there. but the mirror still showed the girl. Panicking, Elodie grabbed her things. She ran to the door, pulled the handle. It wouldn't move. She hit it, kicked it, screamed, nothing. She turned. The photograph on the knit stand had changed. The little girl was now looking straight at her, smiling. A new line was written under the photo. Welcome to room 313. Elodie stumbled back, tripped over the carpet. Something moved under the bed. A pale hand slid back into the shadows. She bent down and saw two white eyes staring back at her. The next morning, the receptionist entered room 313. Everything was calm, the bed perfectly made, the photo on the knit stand, but this time it showed for people. The man, the woman, the little girl, and Elodie standing beside them, eyes empty, expression blank. Since that night, room 313 has remained locked. But sometimes guests swear they hear it. Tap, 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 as if someone is still trying to get out. So if you ever stay at the Montclair Hotel and they offer you the key to room 313, don't take it. Thanks for listening to Room 313. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Would you dare spend a night in that room? See you in the next nightmare.